Some of the details we will draw on a pink piece of paper, like the nose. You can draw in Sharpie. Fill in those nostrils with the Sharpie. We'll also draw the ears. Make them a little longer or a little bigger than you think you need them, because we'll do a little trick to make sure we can glue these so they stand up. We'll also need 4 legs. Here's a trick too. If you draw all 4 legs touching, it makes it really easy to cut them out. You don't have to do it this way, but whew, it sure does save time. Don't forget to draw the hooves too. Next, cut out all your pieces. If you cut them apart, it might make it easier to cut out the nose and the ears and the legs. Make sure you put your scraps in a separate pile so you don't accidentally throw good pieces away. We'll use glue stick to attach. Push and hold. Make sure it stays. When cutting out the legs, check out how easy this is. Snip, snip, snip. Da-da! 4 legs. Just put the glue on the very tip, and this will go on the underside of our pig. Remember, they're flying, so they get to stand straight out. We don't need to bend them at all. Really push and make sure that they stick. 10 seconds for each leg. Carefully cut out your ears. And the way that we'll make these stick is a little special. They're not just going to stick on that very edge. To fold the bottom over. It'll give us a space to put the glue. Now we can stick it, and the ears will stand straight up. Make sure you hold for 10 seconds. These may be a little frustrating. Stick with it, have some patience, and you will be rewarded with ears that stand up on your pig. Now that we have our ears, nose, and legs stuck on with glue stick, we need a new kind of glue to help us put on our googly eyes, our wings, and our tail. In this little container, you'll have a popsicle stick with really thick, tacky glue. Take the popsicle stick and put just a dab of glue onto the googly eye. Press it onto your pig to make sure it stays. Do the same thing with the other googly eye, just a dot. This is nice and sticky. Be careful you're not touching it because your fingers will become sticky too. Push, make sure it stays. Use a pipe cleaner to make the tail, but we need a flat surface to help it stick. Take your pipe cleaner and we're going to bend the end, bend, bend. Hold on with one hand as you bend with the other. Now we have a flat area that we can put the glue. Twist the rest around your finger to make a curly pigtail. Take a little bit of the tacky glue, just a little bit. Wipe it on the flat part that we bent. Push and hold it until it stays on the pig. Well, our pig needs one more thing. Our pig needs to fly. 2 feathers ought to do it. You can wipe it on the feathers, or you can just wipe it where it's going to go.